ShipToBox.com is a hassle-free, one-stop shopping and shipping platform for you. Buy unlimited from the USA and get delivered in a blink. We can buy for you, we deliver to you, we take care of all. First, we have standard and VIP membership. In VIP membership, you will get 90 days free storage facility and the cheapest rate on shipping. Fill up the necessary fields. If you use any affiliated or coupon code, you will get instant $5 in your wallet. Check the box and click on the Next Step button. If your country required a credit card, you have to fill up this form with valid information. Fill up the credit card information form with the first name, last name, valid card number, and country. Then fill up the billing address with your original address so that we can deliver your products safely. Then click the Submit button. After completing registration, you will get a USA sales tax-free address forever. You can go to your dashboard by clicking here. In the next videos, we will show you how to verify your credit card, upload your ID card, and fill up the USPS form.